Hello everyone, this is Ms. Chelsea, and today we'll be learning to solve systems of equations via graphing. So what is a system of equations? Well, a system of equations is two or more linear equations. Their solution is the point or points where the lines intersect, also known as the points that make both equations true. Let's look at an example of a system of equations. Y equals x plus 6 and y equals 3x. Notice how there are two equations grouped together. In this example, is 0, 6 or 3, 9 going to be the solution? Well, a solution is a set of values that makes both statements true. To figure out which of the 2 points is the correct solution, we will need to consider them separately. Let's start with the point 0, 6. Plug the point into the first equation. 6 equals 0 plus 6. Is this true? Well, 0 plus 6 is 6, so we have 6 equals 6, and yes, this is true. However, to make the system of equations true, we need to make sure it works for both equations. So let's try the second equation. 6 equals 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is 0, so we have 6 equals 0, and this is not a true statement. Therefore, 0, 6 cannot be the solution. Let's double check the point 3, 9 though. 9 equals 3 plus 6, and 3 plus 6 is 9, so we have 9 equals 9, and this is true. In the second equation, 9 equals 3 times 3. Since 3 times 3 is 9, we have 9 equals 9, which is another true statement. Since both equations give you true statements when you plug in the point 3, 9, the solution to the system of equations is the point 3, 9. Now, there are actually 3 possible solutions you can get to a system of equations. The first solution is what we just did in the example, where you have a single point, x, y, that is the solution. This happens when the graphs of the two lines cross at a single point or intersect. If the two lines are parallel on the graph, that means that their slopes are the exact same. You will not have a solution because the lines will never cross. If you have two lines that are overlapping, they're basically the same line, you will have infinite solutions because every point on one line will also be on the other line. Finally, let's look at how to solve a system of equations via graphing. Your first step is to move lines to slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So if we look at this example system of equations below, you will see that the first equation is y equals x minus 3. This is already in slope-intercept form, so we can leave it alone. The second equation, x minus y equals 2, is not in slope-intercept form because the y is not by itself. To put it in slope-intercept form, we need to get rid of the x. Notice how you have a positive x here? Let's move it to the other side and make it negative x. Do we have slope-intercept form yet? Well, no, because we have a negative y, and we want a positive y. To put this equation in slope-intercept form, we will need to change the sign of every term. Now we have y equals x minus 2. The second step for solving by graphing is to graph both lines on one graph. The y-intercept of the first equation is negative 3. So let's put a point at 0, negative 3 to start our graph. Now the slope of this equation is 1 because there's an understood 1 in front of the x. We can write this as the fraction 1 over 1, which tells us to rise 1 block and run 1 block. Now that we've got our second point, we can draw a line going through both points and extend it out to either side to get the line of our first equation. Let's do the same for the second equation. The y-intercept here is negative 2, so let's put a point at 0, negative 2. Once again, we have a slope of 1, so we're going to rise 1 and run 1 to get to our second point. Finally, we will draw our line. Now that we've drawn both lines, let's do the final step to solve by graphing and find the intersection. Notice how these two lines have the same slope but different y-intercepts, meaning they are parallel. Parallel lines never touch, and so there will not be an intersection. Therefore, there are no solutions to this system.